Lufthansa Technik is best known for the maintenance, repair and overhaul solutions that we offer. And there's something special about Lufthansa Technik. We have approvals to do the maintenance, so repairing everything on the airplanes, on the aircraft, which is fixed to the aircraft, to the airframe, as well as we can maintain the engines, every component of the aircraft. That we have approval for that, but in addition we have approval for the design organization, so we are allowed to design new aircraft parts, as well as we have approval to really manufacture these parts. And this gives us some kind of, I would say, superpower, because we can modify processes, we can modify airplanes and manufacture what is necessary. It's everything that you can repair, modify or manufacture on an airplane. So for each product or service that we offer that is related to design, to innovation products or innovative procedures and processes that we apply to the aircraft repair processes, PLM is fundamental. We need PLM as a central part, central not only platform but inspiration for our processes to really streamline the processes from engineering to manufacturing and then into service. When we were thinking about consolidating PLM, we had to choose which PLM system to use and which company to work with on our journey towards one PLM system. The Windchill product is the one and only PLM for Lufthansa Technik. So it wasn't not only the integration and the people, it was how does the Windchill fit into our ecosystem of SAP that we have. Do we have the ability to integrate into different systems, different other systems, how to integrate the customers, what are the customer interfaces, is there a chance to really have requirements engineering. We found that within the PTC portfolio of Windchill. So what we are aiming for is the integration of the PLM and our ERP system. So having the interfaces, having the processes being aligned and being driven by the data that we have in the ERP and the PLM. It's not only about the technology, but the support from the PTC experts that really helps us to go on the journey to be successful. It's all about integrating into the customer systems. It's about accessing the data from operation that we need to use in the maintenance. It's the data that we need to improve our products. So it's data accessibility, it's integration not only towards the customer but towards the OEMs, and total transparency. Total transparency to have data-driven decisions in the future. It will be all about data, accessing data, being able to access and analyze that data to extract decisions.